Hotel Bagués. 5 stars. Stay in the heart of Barcelona. A rooftop pool and bar with fantastic city views are offered at this 5-star boutique hotel, located on Las Ramblas. Each stylish room displays a unique item of jewelry from the Masriera Museum. Beautiful boutique hotel, very attentive staff, excellent restaurant. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Great location and extremely helpful staff. Our room was lovely and quiet and attended to daily. The location, staff were friendly and helpful. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.